Today is Wednesday, July 16th, 2025, and today I actually hit $230,000 for the first time ever. And it's not really a milestone. Like I said previously, at this point, 500K would be a milestone for me, and then a million, and then whatever, so on from there. But I am up over 3% today on a day where the NASDAQ is basically flat. And if we take a look at my weekly chart now, I am up 6%, over 6%, month over 30%, 3 months, 116%, almost 117, year to date, 86%, year over year, 190%, and then all time, of course, 360. If we take a look at my Roth IRA, I am up 4% today. Year to date, I am up 51%. And if we take a look at my updated transaction history, I did go ahead and buy a lot more Lemonade. I did say in the last video that Lemonade was a stock that I'm considering adding to my portfolio. And I did buy a couple shares in my IRA, but I decided to go ahead and just start a position in my actual Robinhood portfolio. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think they have earnings on the same day as Robinhood, which is kind of interesting. And just based off of what I'm seeing on the charts, there's a lot of like moving average crossovers, lots of consolidation. And the chart actually looks very similar to what I noticed before Robinhood and Palantir had that massive run. And I do think it is very possible for Lemonade to hit $80 a share maybe sometime, within the next 6 to 12 months. And then eventually you'll get to 100. And then, of course, I would love for it to go all the way back up to all-time highs. If we actually go ahead and take a look at Lemonade, it is up 8% year to date. But all-time highs is actually 145 according to Robinhood. If I pull up the advanced chart, it looks like it's closer to 190. So 180, 190. And I do think it is very possible for Lemonade to get back to 180. But first, of course, we're going to have to hit 80 and then 100 and so on from there. Similar to when I was first accumulating Robinhood, I believe my first price target was probably 15. But I do know 20 was one of my price targets, and then 30, 50, 60, somewhere there, and then 85 all-time highs. And now, of course, Robinhood is well over $100. And I'm not saying that you guys should all go out and start copying me just because I said it looks similar to what I saw on Robinhood. It doesn't mean it's going to perform just like Robinhood. So please keep that in mind. This isn't financial advice. But let's go ahead and take a look at my portfolio. I did go ahead and sell another covered call on Robinhood. This one is all the way up at $150. Expires in November, and I collected over $500 on it. If we take a look at my top positions, not a whole lot has changed. Robinhood is still number one. Then I have Nike, Palantir, of course, Pepsi, Honest, REPX, SoFi, PayPal, American Express, and then Burberry, of course, that's just chilling there at the bottom as always. And if we take a look at my total percentage gain, Robinhood is almost a 10x for me. I do think after taking into account all of the option premiums, it probably is a 10x now. Yeah, I think it is. But the Robinhood app is showing a 900% gain. Nike, I am slightly down 4%. Palantir, 750. Pepsi, 11.5%. And recently, of course, SoFi has been catching up slowly but surely. I don't think SoFi has broken all-time highs yet, but I do think it is very possible that we will see SoFi break all-time highs probably this year.